Hi everyone, this is Abdul and you're watching another unboxing. So as you can imagine, this looks like an eBay buy. So another vintage watch. So let's get to it. I'm wearing again another vintage watch, a Delma quartz. So here we go. And, oops. Well packed. The seller gave me also a parallel ornato and let's see what it is. So here we go. An Arsa World War II watch. I really like this orange. It winds well. Watch looks really good. On the strap as well. Let's try it on the hand, then the wrist. That's actually pretty comfy. As you can see, the watches. Let me get into the zoom here. And let me just pop the shirt. So as you can see, blued hands, blued second hands, and the second style has a little bit of a spark to it, and the dial has a more matte color to it. The strap is actually really, it's a leather strap, 18 millimeters. And we have this one is a blue one. I think he was wearing it to do this one. So here's the watch again. So thank you for watching and have a great one.